This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Kathleen Atkins. Welcome to this beautifully updated and spacious one-level ranch home centrally located in Madisonville. This move-in ready home includes 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a large laundry/pantry room, updated exterior vinyl siding, laminate flooring, and a covered carport. Newer HVAC installed in 2020. Sitting on a level corner lot, enjoy your evenings in this peaceful neighborhood in a wonderful location. Seconds from Highway 411, and in the foothills on the nearby Cherohala Skyway and Cherokee National Forest. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen Atkins at 865-693-1111.